नाले उसे तो प्यार है ना कि ज़्यादा से जाना हर बंदे में ही लगता है कि मेरा बेटा है, मेरा भरा है, बहुत 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 प्यार मिलता है।
थैंक यू सो मच पाजी। एंड वन लास्ट क्वेश्चन फॉर तिलोत्मा। हाय तिलोत्मा, तिलोत्मा जब भी कोर्टरूम ड्रामा होता है बॉलीवुड की तरफ से या ग्लोबल सिनेमा की तरफ से, तो बहुत सारी इंस्पिरेशन देखने को मिलती है फ्रॉम ग्लोबल सिनेमा और फ्रॉम द बॉलीवुड। आपकी नजर में कौन ऐसा इंस्पायरिंग कैरेक्टर है फ्रॉम एनी कोर्टरूम ड्रामा अक्रॉस द वर्ल्ड?
You know, there are many courtroom dramas, 12 Angry Men, a film that I love, and there are many like that. But I don't like to watch another film as a reference or an inspiration for a film I'm doing. Because then you start wanting to imitate. And because we are human beings, our brains are like sponge, na? Like आप एक sponge को पानी में रखोगे वो तो पानी खींच ही लेगा. So I prefer not watching. And for this film, the inspiration was the script, my director, my co-actors. But I love the genre of courtroom drama, and I think, yeah. Thank you.
सनी पाजी एक सवाल ये रहा, सनी पाजी जब ट्रेलर आया तो इंट्रोडक्शन पार्ट में धर्मेंद्र पाजी का नाम आया। इस सन आपके एज ए सन कितनी गर्व की बात है आपके लिए?
देखिए पापा, मैं हमेशा पापा का बेटा हूँ, वैसे ही रहूँगा, बस इससे आगे कुछ नहीं।
Hello.
Hello. Just a second, ma'am.
Hi. My question is to Monica, ma'am. Congratulations for getting these two iconic actors together. Last time when they came,
Interesting to play a part that anchors the heart of the story, and it can go in any direction actually. But it was wonderful. I really enjoyed every moment. It was tough because there was a lot of raw emotion. There were lots of, I mean, the octave of many of the scenes is pretty high in terms of just feeling the moment. I think for me, some of the most special moments are the silences that I share with my daughter and I share with my husband. And I really enjoyed that scene with Akshay Khanna. It was so much fun. Yeah, I really missed out on doing a scene with Tilly. Yeah, I was like, कोई flashback का scene नहीं हो सकता है, you know.
But she's not just the mother of the film. She
No,
has
she's a
much
lawyer.
more.
She's an
She's an
ex-lawyer.
ex-lawyer. She's an
She's a
ex-lawyer.
thinking partner. She's a very, you know, she's a woman who's made her choices, and they're very, and many of her choices have.
I want to do the characters and I do not know how far I will reach or I won't. But उसकी journey इतनी खूबसूरत होती है कि that is my high. और दामिनी ने आप सबको उस फिल्म का फ़ैन बना दिया और बट उसके बाद मुझे हमें मौका नहीं मिला फिर से कुछ इस तरह का कैरेक्टर, इस तरह का कोई रोल आए। और जब सिद्धार्थ ने मुझे ये कहानी सुनाई तो मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी। और अगेन वक्त लगता है कि पता नहीं कब कौन सी फिल्म बनती है, ज़माना बदलता रहता है। और अचानक नेटफ्लिक्स आई, उन्होंने कहा हम ये बनाना चाहते हैं ना, उससे। और रही बात 2.5 किलो के हाथ की, आई थिंक जब हम
Certain amount of stardom and fandom that they bring, so you have to catch the right tone and pitch with Diya, with Tilotuma. On also the film that I'm trying to say, because I have a certain language of storytelling, maybe Hichki, maybe Maharaj. So to keep that sensitivity and to keep the characters human and real and not go so melodramatic, that was the challenge. Finding the right sur to the film. और उस सुर में कहानी को कहना और किरदारों को सच्चा रखना ताकि इफेक्टिव व्यूइंग हो जाए, and also to keep it relentless. So I had to keep all of that correct. जी.
Moving towards the next, please. Somebody from here. Yes, ma'am.
He said एक ये सीन करना है जिसमें सनी सर अपना जैकेट
hero shots.
हाँ, तो ये कभी मुझसे कभी किसी ने करवाया नहीं है। एंड ही सर ये शॉट होगा अगर आप अपना जैकेट डाल रहे हैं, गेटिंग रेडी फॉर कोर्ट, सनी सर अपना जैकेट डालेंगे, कट टू यू,
बैकग्राउंड बजेगा।
हाँ,
I think it's there also. It's a very good shot.
I couldn't, I thought he's pulling my leg for sure, but we actually did it and actually देखने को भी आज मिल गया, it's
just too beautiful.
Tilotoma, you've just said the 2.5 kilo ka haath wala dialogue in the trailer. You know what's going to happen right after that. The legendary dialogue, the legendary line. You've taken it.
I hope Sunny sir doesn't mind. Otherwise, Baki, I can take anything else. Sunny sir, you're okay now with the line?
I just loved it. Remember when you were doing it also?
Original film, and like I said, Tilotoma and Dia have been on our journey with Netflix, and I should tell you when we were deciding to cast.
एंड मैं इनको फ्लैटर करने के लिए नहीं कह रही हूँ, ये हकीकत है, आपको दिखता है, लेकिन ये जो एहसास करवाते हैं अपने हम मतलब हम साथियों को या
पूरी
अपने
यूनिट
साथ
को,
सबको, बट मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली द पीपल दैट ही इज वर्किंग विद ऑल्सो, लाइक एज एन एक्टर I didn't feel a moment of hesitation. You remember that one scene where I had to like hold you and I asked you, can I hug you? And he started laughing. He said, "Kya sawal hai ye?" I was like, "Me पूछ लिया." But it was magical, and I think मैं तो बचपन से माई हूँ. That's a very natural instinct that I have. I have a very strong maternal instinct. And I revel in it. It's something that I really, really cherish. I think it's special, and motherhood has, I think, in many ways, really opened that up even more. Because before that, I had an idea of what it would feel like to be a parent, but now I feel it in every cell and bone of my body. So I think that brings something to the interactions that I have with the child. And it's been such a wonderful ride.
Right, and it's a blessing, yeah. It's absolutely right.
You know, she actually.
I mothered you also.
Yeah,
But
no. You still do.
Jagat Janani.
Still do, but we would sit on the scene, discuss the lines. She would make it her own, and then after feeling it, she would go and go all for it. With Sunny sir, it's the same thing. He needs to feel the line. He needs to feel the emotion. He says, मैं उसको अपना बना लूँगा, तब वो डिलीवरी आएगी. I've realized that. वो डिलीवरी तब आती है जब उन्होंने अपना बना लिया इस लाइन को. Then because he's all heart. He's all heart and all, like